person sees all.
All right, here, September 9th, raw footage. Check this. I'm going inside. There we go. You hear me going inside. I close the door. It stops shaking, and I'm just going to go set up. But I decided to record and watch this. The plane goes by. I'm sure it's almost sure it's a plane. But look here into the surface. Is that object? Poof. And watch this one go by. Did you see it? It's hard to see. Back up to see it. But by seeing it 6 or 7 times, I'm going to show you, you're going to be able to see it. But now here's the thing. Check this. I'm just going inside. It's just set up. So that is how close and how quickly I was able to capture that object. So here's the plane, because they were chemtrailing, right? So this is an object crashing, but this one could be a plane too. I'm not denying it, but I don't know. It went by in a different angle. Just wanted to show that. Thanks for watching, everyone. We're going to see this a few shots in a row. And, well, actually, I'll just stick around with you guys. There it is. Now we're going to see it here, okay? It went by. Let's start again. We see the plane. There's the plane. We see the object coming down to the surface of the moon, northeast. And then we see that object going by there. So it's 3 objects in a matter of like 3 or 4 seconds while I was inside, actually. So imagine I had just set this bugger up. And if not, I wouldn't have gotten it at all. Well, Denver, Colorado, hang on, my friends in the States. It's going to get very, very cold. They say it's supposed to go from 80 degrees and plunge down to 0 degrees in a matter of 24 hours. And yeah, a lot of snow coming from the north. Here, Canada, we're sending up some cold weather down your way. Check out the chemtrails. It started forming a giant cloud, and over to the right, just on the corner of the house, was the full moon. Well, we're going outside. We're going to go film the moon. It's freezing. But it's the best viewing. So, I'm going to have to show you guys how I set up actually soon. With a telescope when I actually go outside. You should be able to see that. Not very well, eh? It's already cold outside. I found the way to get a bit of light outside. We can't talk too loud, obviously. Hello. Yeah, I don't know if you're going to see me like this. No, I'm not smoking. I am, but it's the inside of my body. Oh, the heat. Yeah, it's humid when the moon is out. Jeez, isn't that crazy? Noticed a triangle inside of mare fecunditatis. We're going to see it in different ways with the lights taken down also. I hadn't really ever noticed it before. It's analyzing the changes that we will see throughout the year. I can't wait to do some comparisons as the year progresses and as the winter arrives. Check it out as we take down the lights. Let's see what stays lit. We can really see that triangle very well inside of mare fecunditatis. Check it out, it'll get some circle up over top of it. Two magnificent blue spots beside, but fairly large too, beside Copernicus crater. We'll see it in a couple of angles. Different way of zooming up here. A bit clearer. I'm working on it. I'm going to change the card soon, maybe after Christmas. Get a better card, a video card, as we continue to up the quality. Slowly but surely wins the race. This is my mailing address.
Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they're mining really up there. They're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. They're spying really up there. They're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they may be coming soon.
This is Houston. Say again, please.